This is a demonstration video of EdenChain sample application for Python. This demo ran on Ubuntu 18.04.1 LTS version. Python 3.6 or later is recommended for the sample application. You can check the version of Python by doing the following command. You can also create a Python directory and clone the Python API sample repository from EdenChain GitHub. If successful, you should see Python API sample directory. After changing directory, first configure the virtual environment of Python 3. Then run the virtual environment through the venv activate command. In the directory, there is requirements.txt, which will install the EdenChain SDK. Run pip with requirements.txt and wait for every package to be installed. The demo can be executed with the Python main.py command. You can check the function by selecting its menu after putting the ID and password. If you enter something that is not in the menu, it will close. Thank you.